Does seeing people take pictures of the food annoy you? Make you a little angry? Don't let it. This is the kind of time where all should be a little nicer to each other. And for that reason, I thought I would run a contest. I'm a knife maker. I make knives for a living. And 2020 is really turning out to be a great year to launch a business, let me tell you. But with that in mind, I thought, since everyone's at home and everyone's stocking up on all the right things, maybe now's a good time to give one of my pieces away to some of the people, both professionally who are suffering, no longer having patrons at their restaurants, and people at home who are spending more time with one another and hopefully eating well while they're doing it. The only thing you have to do to enter this contest is really probably do the exact thing you've already been doing, which is to take a picture of the food you're about to eat and use the hashtag quarantine cooking contest. Also, you should probably follow one of my accounts at Origin Blades, and you'll get to see the knife that I'm going to make over the course of this month, and then pick a winner that I like best based on the hashtags that use quarantine cooking contest. At the end of the month, I'm going to pick the one I like best. I'm going to contact them directly. I'm going to get their address, and I'm going to send them the knife I'm making right now. Take a look at my accounts to see what kind of knives I already make. All you'll have to do is pay for shipping. So whether you're in New England or whether you're in New Zealand, you're eligible for this. So keep doing what you're doing. Take pictures of your food, use the hashtag, and share it, both in the real and virtual world. I'll pick the one I like best, and then I'll send whatever it is I figure out I'm going to make for it. Thanks for sharing, and looking forward to seeing what you make.